So good evening guys. So for today, I will demonstrate Authentication Foundation Basic Security Implementation. So first features to implement this. So we actually created it. So first, user registration with validation here. So let's try to one at Gmail. So it's successfully. Then log in with encrypted password, login attempt, request rate limiting, and Google CAPTCHA. So here in login we have it that encrypted password or PHP hash. So nakikita natin yan dito. Yan yung mga password natin, naka-hash. Then login attempts. So we just use this. So too many login attempts, try again in 10 minutes. Then Google reCAPTCHA. So this, I'm not a robot. Then role based redirection admin. So I have already logged in those. So here is the role, or you can, if you're admin, you can change it. So for meantime, there's 4 user and 1 admin. Then secure session management timeout. So the timeout will be sent in login logs timeout. Then basic dashboard access per role. So yung sinabi ko kanina, ito na, admin tsaka user. Then security topics covered. So access control. So here, after nito is gagawin pa natin ng features yung admin, which is pwede niyang i-delete or update yung mga user. So for meantime, log rage pa lang naman, so hindi pa natin na-codean yun. Then input sanitation, boot protection, so yung ano siya, yung reCAPTCHA. Then brute force prevention, so naglilimit siya kapag marami kang attempt. Then session control. So working login and registration admin, rate limiting logs or screenshot. So sa akin is limiting logs lang. Then reCAPTCHA proof, working proof, session timeout demo. So yung kanina. This. Then login attempts, log attempts. Here, so one. So let's try to access the admin and the user page. So for the admin, so ito yung laman muna ko lang ng admin. Then sa user, Yun lang po, sir.